Hey guys, this is Dudermer. So I was having some issues with my tablet, right? Like it didn't want to charge. It turns out it's the charger. That cable is like what, 4 years old, and it ended up being the cable. Anyways, I was going through the Samsung keys and the software repair and smart switch and all that, just to make sure that everything was copacetic with my phone and my tablet, and I decided I wanted to show everybody how to back stuff up onto your computer. Now, when you back everything up through a cloud service like Verizon Cloud or iCloud or any of that, you're not going to get. There's a lot of things like it may or may not back up your messages, it may or may not back up applications, and I want to make sure that you know how to do this without having to re-download stuff, having to add things to it yourself. We're going to get started now. If you like this video, click on that thumbs up underneath the video. And if you want to see more how-tos like this, working with cell phones, subscribe. I put one out every once in a while. So anyways, I'm using Windows 10. I'm going to come down here to the S in my bar here, and I'm looking for Samsung. And specifically, I'm looking for Smart Switch. Now, you're going to have to go into the Google Play Store and download it on your device as well. And then you just Google Smart Switch download, and it'll be the top one that you're looking for, and that's how you download Smart Switch to your PC. Now, yeah, I have the cable. It's the white cable that comes with every Samsung when you buy it. Anyways, you'll have the USB plugged into the USB of your computer, and we're gonna plug it into the phone here in just a second. This is Smart Switch on my screen that I just pulled up. So now I just gotta put my password in my phone and make sure that it is unlocked, and we will go through the backup process. Yes. Okay, there we go. So I've got Smart Switch on my phone also. And now I'm just going to take the micro USB, the small end of the cable, while the large end is plugged into my PC. I'm going to take the small end and plug it into the phone. And I've got it set with Windows to do this, so never mind that. Anyways, it tells me that the device reset function is no longer supported. Smart Switch used to do that, but now it doesn't do it anymore. If you want to do a reset, you'll have to do it from a phone. Awesome. Cool. We know about that now. Before you do a factory reset, and I like to do this with my phone every month or so, or just whenever I feel like it. So, a Smart Switch came up on my phone. It's got a picture of a laptop, some dots connecting it to my phone. This obviously isn't a laptop, it's a 42-inch TV, but anyways, I'm kind of getting off here. When you click on backup, it'll come up on the window. It says an SD card has been found. Back up your data from the SD card and your device storage. So you can skip it. I would back it up. That way you're copying everything from the SD card and what's in your phone. And then it'll go through the loading backup list. It'll back up any memos that you have made. This will back up, of course, any music. It'll back up text messages, documents that you have saved, any downloads. Anything that you have for Office 360 that's on the phone, or Open Office, I think it is. So everything on your phone, even your settings, it's going to back it all up. So when you reset your phone, then you can back it up, and it'll be exactly the same phone it is right now. And it even backs up like passwords for your Wi-Fi. It backs up the passwords for your hotspot. So it essentially is cloning. It's making a duplicate or a copy of your entire phone. It's taking all the software, everything, compiling it into one thing on your computer and creating an image of it. Anytime you do something different with your phone and you click on backup, it's only going to sync. It's only going to take the things that are different. So you don't have to worry about backing up a whole bunch of duplicate stuff. This is a good way to make sure you don't lose your contacts or anything like that, and it's pretty fast. I've got a lot of music, so it's probably gonna take a little bit. I mean, by a lot of music, I mean not really that much. Got like 174 songs or something. 173 songs. That's actually moving pretty fast. So another way of doing this is with Samsung keys. You'll be doing that for like the Galaxy 6. See, I've got a S7 active, and my tablet is a Tab E, and they both want to use Smart Switch. And there is also a, so I want to get into the software repair part of this too. There is also, if you click up here on more, there's also emergency software recovery. So, if your phone gets stuck in like, say a boot loop, something like that, or it just keeps turning off and turning on, and it never actually loads up all the way and stays, the emergency software recovery is going to help you out with that. It'll wipe the phone of what it knows right now, and it'll rebuild the software that's on it. So you'll be starting with another phone, a good platform. I mean, the way the phone was before that happened, and it is pretty quick. Again, with like the Galaxy 6, you're going to be using Keys 3, which I also have here. This is actually taking, we're on 108 of 173, so I might actually cancel that here in a minute. Anyways, with the Galaxy S6, again, I'm using Windows 10. You'll come down the list to the S's, then you'll find Samsung, then you'll find Samsung Keys 3. Now, when you download it, because you gotta put it on your phone too, of course. The Samsung Keys 3, you're gonna type in the Google search bar, just Keys 3 download, and you'll pick the one on the top. And so far, I mean, I didn't get any that it was offering me other software or any of that. The download took like a minute. It's pretty small. It's like 83 megabytes. It's small, and it's quick. But it does the same thing that Smart Switch does here. So this is actually taking a little bit. Well, it's not too bad. There it is. And backing up videos, I've got 7 videos. And we'll go through the restore portion of this too. It doesn't give you options as to what to restore. It just wants to restore all of it, like the entire image. And any problems that you're having, you don't have to worry about backing that up and copying problems. I mean, that's like the exact opposite of what this is here for. Now, I've been doing this for a long time. This is everything that it backed up. Contacts, messages, memos, call logs, clock, internet. That includes like your browsing history, all of your bookmarks. So you're not going to have to put anything into your browser when your phone comes back up if you reset it. Images, it's like pictures, music, videos, documents, like the manual for my car. I've got it downloaded on my phone. Applications, email. Email is one that cloud very rarely have I ever seen it back up emails. But any saved emails that you have, it's going to back it up. The email right here. So you don't have to worry about restoring that. Even your home screen, that's your wallpaper, the way your icons are set up. I mean, whatever theme that you have on your phone, it's going to back that up. Settings. If you have different ringtones set for different contacts, or if you have different alarms set for your calendar, then it's going to back all that up. I mean, your phone will be, when you restore it, it will be exactly the way it was when you backed it up, including how it looks, how the sounds are set up, all of it. And that's it. And we'll go through the restore portion of this too. Like, obviously, I just backed my phone up, so, I mean, there's nothing to restore. I might reset it, maybe. I don't know if I get a, like, hair or something. I don't really use my phone very much, though. It just kind of stays in my pocket. Anyways, right now it is restoring music, so I'm gonna end up going through this whole thing, and it's restoring all my settings. It's restoring all of my applications, And I mean, like, none of that changed, of course, so I'm not going to notice a difference. But it's restoring all of my applications. I don't have to worry about downloading any of them again. So it restored contacts, messages, my memos, call logs, clock, applications, documents, videos, music, images, some of my pictures. It restored my emails, all my home screen settings, and my settings, like my device settings. So I hope this helps you guys, and eventually I'll get a hold of something a little bit older than my S7, something that's going to use keys. I will give you a, I'll pull keys up really quick, that way you at least know what it looks like. Anyways, eventually I will get a little bit older phone that's going to use keys, and I will show you how to do it this way. Like, see, it's reading my phone, and then it tells me it's connected through Smart Switch, which is what I was just using. It's faster and more convenient. So keys is a older thing, and actually, I think my Galaxy S2 will do it. Alright, well, that gives me an idea for another video. If you like this video, click on that thumbs up underneath the video, and if you want to see more how-to like this, how to work with your phones, etc., how to work with your car, I mean, that subscribe button down there, go ahead and subscribe. I come out with this every once in a while. I'll see you guys on the next video.